Hi, in my previous video I showed you how I made slime. So I want to talk about the activator which I used. I used this. This is called suhaga in Hindi and I got it from my local shop for 20 rupees for 150 grams. It is the borax or normally called sodium tetraborate. It is a mineral and I tried so much things to activate like all types of detergents and salt, but nothing worked. Then I came to know that the borax is actually suhaga, which we call in here, which is cheaply available in almost every shop in India. So I used this and it worked great. Normally, we use this in our homes to treat gastrointestinal problems, and we use it by first roasting it on a tawa or a pan, and then we ingest it. But to activate the slime, we just need to powder it and dissolve it in water, and the borax solution is ready. To make the borax solution activator, just add 1 teaspoon of borax powder into the 1 cup of water. This much borax solution can activate the whole big bottle of fevicol. And this activator barely costs anything as compared to those eye lenses solutions or other activators which we try to use to activate our slimes.